I've pre-drilled and started these 3-inch exterior grade screws in the brick mold casing about 3/8 of an inch in from the outer edge. 2 at the top, 2 on each side, but none across the bottom. Dry fit the door again at this point using water-resistant shims on the sill to elevate the door up off the pan. The shims should not extend beyond the depth of the pet door to avoid interference with the interior seal that we'll be adding later. From the interior, add shims if needed to reasonably center the door vertically in the rough opening, which on the exterior should leave about the same cutout reveal at the top and the bottom, and fine-tune as needed so that the door is plumb and level. Remove the door while carefully leaving sill shims in place. Apply a generous bead of sealant on the backside of the brick mold casing, across the top and down both sides. Here again, nothing across the bottom. Place the door gently back on the sill shims, centering side to side as you carefully press the door in place. Double check for plumb and level. Pilot drill the wall for at least the first 2 opposing screws so the door won't shift. Then drive the screws firmly in place. You should have a noticeable ooze out of sealant from behind the brick mold casing. Your pet door came furnished with jamb anchoring screws. 2 longer screws for the head jamb, 4 for the side jambs, and a drive bit. Shim as needed behind the jamb and install these 6 screws.